Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a table. Let's go. I've created a small database. So in this dataset, I am going to convert it as a table. We have to go to insert and select table. If you closely look into this small window, it will automatically select the entire table. You can either go to insert and select table, or you can use a shortcut called Ctrl T. Now we have to select OK. Bottom right hand side there is an arrow below the table, so which means this particular data set is created as a table. Once we select a tab, it will add one more row and it is ready for an input. The main advantage for creating a table is if we are writing date, it will automatically takes the input of the format and also the numberings, so we don't have to worry about the formatting. One more advantage is if we are working in pivot tables, we don't have to change the data source for every line additions. I'm creating a simple pivot table. Insert pivot table. OK. So this is basically a simple pivot table which shows the product list and also the year. In this table, I'm adding 2020 data. This particular pointer is placed in the last line. So if I go to pivot table, if I do a refresh, it will automatically change the source with the help of the table. So in this way, it is more advantageous when we are working in a table formatted data set. There are few challenges when we are working in the tables. This data set is fully formatted, and when we are working in a large data set, there is a possibility the file will slow down. We have to use this functionality in limited database. Now we can discuss about how to convert this table into a normal range. We have to go to design. In the tools group, we have to select convert to range. Once we select convert to range, you can see a pop-up called do you want to convert a table to a normal range. So there are advantages for the table creation in a data set and also few challenges. I hope this video is useful for creating a table and also convert to range. Thank you so much.